Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm gonna tell you guys how to fix Black Myth Wukong not launching on Steam. So there's a few things. You need to make sure that your device is compatible. As you can know, it runs on some high specs. Next up, you need to search for Device Manager, open it up, and then double click on Display Adapters. Your graphics card will show up. Right click on it, click on Update Driver, and then search automatically for drivers and make sure the best ones are already installed. Next up, you want to go to GeForce. If you use this for your graphics card or whatever you use, head over to that and then into driver section and make sure you have the latest game driver available. Next thing you want to do is press Windows R, my bad, Windows R together and search for temp and then search and then click on continue. From there you need to click on Control A and delete all of this. Don't worry, this is completely safe. Then you want to press on Windows R one more time. This time you want to search for percentage, temp, percentage, search, and then Control A, and then delete all of these. Continue. Don't worry, these are completely safe and these are all just temporary files that your computer does not need anymore. Next up, you want to search for Windows R one more time, press them together, and then search for pre-fetch, and then click on continue again, Control A, delete all of this. Let's skip this. And then what you want to do is head over to Recycle Bin and clean all of it. Next up, you want to search for Storage Sense. As you can see, turn on Storage Sense. As you can see, it is turned on, and like run Storage Sense so that your temporary files are deleted. And these are the possible fixes, and there you go. This is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.